Hello guys, welcome to next video of this playlist Python for beginners. Currently we are exploring data science for beginners in this playlist, so let's continue the journey of exploration. For that, let's move to our destination folder. So as you can see, this is our destination folder. Up till now we have done a lot of basics of data science. Now let's create a project using data science. So from this video we will be creating a project related to Titanic Dataset where we will be predicting the passenger has survived or not using data science techniques and using machine learning model which is logistic regression. That's why in the coming videos you can expect an end-to-end data science project, and also we will try to host our project so that everyone in the world can access our project. So without wasting any time, let's start. So firstly we have to download the Titanic dataset. Now let's move to the browser and just type Titanic Dataset Kaggle, so that this result will be in front of you, and just click on the first link and the output is in front of you, which is related to Titanic Dataset. So this is information of Titanic Dataset, as you can see. Now we are only interested in data, and to create a machine learning model using data analysis we will be requiring only trained dataset. So let's download the files. So as you can see, this is general submission, test CSV and train CSV. So let's simply download this train.csv file. So I will download the file in the same folder, as you can see. So let's save this file. And as you can see, the train.csv has been downloaded. Now let's move to our folder once again. And as you can see, this is train.csv file. So let's open this folder in Jupyter notebook that we usually do. So as you can see, Jupyter has opened in this folder. Now let's open a new file. So the file is open, as you can see. Now let's give a file name. So as you can see, I have given the name as Titanic Part 1. So let's import basic library which is pandas. Also we will be requiring more libraries in coming lectures whenever we need them. So for today's video, this library is sufficient. So let's move ahead. Now we have to simply load our dataset. So I will simply create a variable. This time I will name the variable as train equal to pd.read underscore csv, because the file is csv, and just leave the name as train.csv. Now let's run this cell. So the cell has run successfully. Now simply type train.head and give 10 as input, so that 10 values will be displayed. So the values are in front of you, as you can see. So first is passenger ID survived. So this is our output column. So let's move back to this exploration. So first is passenger ID survived P class. P class means in Titanic there were different classes of passengers. Means the members who were very rich, who are considered as first class member. The members which were middle class family members like us, they come in P class 2. So in this dataset there are only 3 values, which is 3, 2 and 1 related to this richness. So next is name column. So it considers the name of that person, then the gender of that person or sex of that person, then age of that person. SIP-SP. SIP-SP means sibling spouse. Then next is PA Parch. Parch means parents and children. Then after that, this is a ticket number and this is the fare of that passenger. Then cabin. After that, last column is embark. Embark means at which point they were picked by the ship. So this was basic understanding. Now let's go to the Kaggle website and take detailed knowledge of this data. So this is a proper knowledge. So as you can see, survival. So this survival column means to survival. 0 means no, 1 means yes. So as you can see, the survival column has two values, 0 and 1. 0 means the passenger died and 1 means the passenger survived. Now next is P class. P class means as I told, they were divided in different class. First means first class, second means second class, and 3 means third class. Third class normally comes under poor people. First class means the richest people. After that, sex can be directly called as gender, male, female. After that, next is age. So age in years. So that's okay. SIP-SP means of sibling spouse abroad. So SIP-SP means the person has any siblings in this ship or not. Yes or no. And if yes, then how many? So this data simply contains this. So SIP-11103. As you can see, there are many numbers depending upon the siblings. The next is parents. So parents and children. So the person has his parents in the ship or his children in the ship. So this is the short form of parents and children, which is patch. Then the next is ticket number. So ticket number can be simply described as the A521170. So this is ticket number, then this is second ticket number, then this is third ticket number, and so on, as you can see. After next is fare. So fare means the what is the cost of that ticket. So 7.25, 71.2833. So I think the fare is in dollars. And after that, cabin. Cabin number means the room or apartment the person has been given to stay for few days for the journey. And last is embark. Embark means the port of embarkation. So the ship goes from these three positions: Cherbourg, Queenstown, and Southampton. In short form, they are called as C, Q, and S. C means Cherbourg, Q means Queenstown, and S means Southampton. So this was the basic information under embark. So after viewing the dataset, we can identify that passenger ID has infinite number of passenger ID. Survivor has only two options, which is 0 and 1. P class has three options. Name has infinite amount of data, so we can specify. This gender or sex column has only two options, male and female. Age is also numerical data, so the values can be null also, and 54, which is numerical value or a float value. SIP means sibling and spouse, which is 0, 1, 2, and how many spouse the person has. Parents and children, so this belong to this class. After that, tickets, so this is ticket ID. And proper fare. Also, cabin means the allocated cabin to that person. After that, this is embark, which is a pickup point of that person. So this is all about information of that data. So let's move ahead. Now, what is the actual size of data? So to find actual size, the special function is called as shift. We have already seen in last videos. So I will simply type train.shape and just shift enter. So the data is 891 rows and 12 columns. So these are all 12 columns, as you can see, and these are 891 rows. So here only 10 rows are appearing. Now if you want to see entire data, what is the command? The command name is toString. So we will simply type that command to see the entire data. Now let's run this cell. So this is the entire data, and as you can see, it's not visible to our eyes. So simply just print the data. So at least it will be visible to us properly. Oh, the spelling is incorrect. So this is a proper data, as you can see. So this is passenger survey class and so on. P class, and after that the data is age, sibling, parts, ticket, and as you can see, this is entire data. Still it's not clearly visible because of this toString. So we can simply, let's say, type sample. So this can give the entire data, but we have to pass 891. I don't think it will work, but let's try. So this is entire data, and trainer sample only gives, I think, 10 data. So passenger is survived P class, and this is similar to this data. So in this video, we have learned what is the importance of each column in this dataset and different types of categories that are done in dataset. Also, we come to know that the shape of this dataset is 891 rows and 12 columns. So that's all for today's video. If you face any queries while searching the dataset or anything that you have not understood, you can simply message me on Instagram or in comment section below. Also, the source code of today's video is given in video description. And in next video, we will continue the coding journey from this part only. Here comes the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video.